How to install booking system to your hotel website. Hi Softinn booking engine users. Check out this video on how you can install your booking engine on your hotel website. Firstly, you need to log in to Softinn Extranet to get your booking engine link. Make sure you choose the correct property. Then, click on More. Click on Generate URL link. You can copy your booking engine URL here. If you wish to change the color theme of your booking engine, you may add an themeColor equals and your preferred color code. When we click Enter, you will be redirected to our calendarModal, where guests are able to pick their preferred stay date and the number of guests. If you wish to hide the calendarModal, you may add an calendarModal equals 0 at the end of the URL link. Then, send the booking engine link to your website builder and get them to install it on where you wish the booking engine to appear on your website. Here's the example of the outcome. In this example, we install it as a Book Now button on our website. If we click on the button, it will redirect us to our booking engine page. Now, your guests are able to make a booking on your hotel website. Let's start installing booking engine to your hotel website today to receive more bookings while saving all your manual hassles.
Thank you for watching our video. Hi, my name is Amir and I am from product department. So my role at Softinn as a coding ninja, which is implementing the design to all the Softinn products. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.